Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and factory reset your Chromecast. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your Chromecast. Do not unplug it or do not detach it. Do not unplug it. Simply let it be powered, and while it's in the powered situation, all you have to do is simply press on the button as that it has been highlighted over here. Simply press it until the LED turns to yellow and starts blinking. Once it's in that state, all you have to simply again keep on pressing until the yellow button starts to be white. Once the color changes, all you have to do is simply leave the button, and then your Chromecast shall be resetted. All you have to do is simply turn on your TV, and you can check out if the Chromecast has been reset or not. It's not if not, then again you can try to do that process again, and then you will be done. So that is basically the method for you all. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.